Good morning. This is Vineet Mahulkar from Shubham Automation Private Limited, Ahmedabad. We are basically a 25-year-old company, and we are in the field of secondary packing line automation. Right. So our products are like basically starting with secondary automation, like we have inspection solutions. In inspection, we have products like checkware, shipperware, metal detection. So this is basically weight-based inspection, product quality-wise inspection. Then we also have vision-based inspection, camera-based systems. So this all falls into vision solutions. Then we have another category which is automation. In automation, secondary packing line, we have mix-up prevention, we have print and apply, we have top sort, we have labeling machine, we have case detector, we have case packers, pelletizers. So a lot of products we have in secondary line automation solutions. And the third category is basically track and trace. In track and trace, we are the market leaders and we are the first to implement track and trace in India way back in 2010, 9-10. And in track and trace, we started with pharma because of the government regulatory. For example, if you are exporting a product to US or let's say Europe or Russia or CIS countries or Brazil or Saudi, so different countries are having different regulatories which are giving some policies to export a pharma product. So we give an end-to-end solution right from level 1, level 2, level 3 and up to part level 4. So that's our end-to-end solution for pharma. Now we are also promoting track and trace in pesticide, agrochemicals, food industry, also in tobacco and liquor industry. So we have end-to-end solution for track and trace also. So that's about our company, and as I told, it's a 25-year-old company and we are a growing company having a base in Ahmedabad, and we have customers throughout the world. We have more than 2500 installations.